Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you what happens when you go ahead and connect your PlayStation 5 controller to your PS4. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So do you want to know what happens when you connect your PlayStation 5 controller to your PlayStation 4? Are you able to go ahead and use this to play video games, move around the different menu? Let's go ahead and jump over to my PlayStation 4 right now and connect my PS5. So I'm on the home screen of the PlayStation 4, and let's go up to the top to Settings and select this option, and then go down to Devices. Now under Devices, let's go to Bluetooth Devices. And here we have our Bluetooth devices. I have my DualShock 4 and my Bluetooth keyboard. Now on my PlayStation 5 controller, let's go ahead and press the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time and put this controller into sync or pairing mode and connect it to my PlayStation 4. So I'm going to go ahead and hold these down at the same time for approximately 5 to 6 seconds and see if this connects to my PlayStation 4. So it is now in sync mode. You can see the light bar flashing. Let's go back over to my PlayStation 4 now. And we have a wireless controller that is now showing up under this list. Let's go ahead and select this. So do you want to register this Bluetooth device? Yes, let's go ahead and do it. So this Bluetooth device is now registered on my PlayStation 4. So what happens when we move around with our PlayStation 5 controller? Will it work? So I'm trying everything with my PlayStation 5 controller to get it to work on my PlayStation 4. Press the PlayStation button. Sometimes you have to do that to turn it on. Well, this isn't turning on. It's not being activated. Usually, it will pop up a profile to log your controller into. So I don't see anything like that happening. Now, the only other thing I wanted to try was to use this USB cable. So I have this USB to USB-C cable that I'm going to plug into my PlayStation 4 and then plug into my PlayStation 5. Okay, so that end's plugged in. Let's plug this end in now. Now let's go over to my PlayStation and just see if this works. So I see under Bluetooth device still, but I'm not able to move around the different menus whatsoever. So this is very strange how it still shows up, but you're not able to use it at all. So there you have it. What happens when you plug your PlayStation 5 controller into your PlayStation 4? Well, it recognizes the controller as a wireless controller and a Bluetooth device, but you can't log into a profile. You can't use it for games to navigate the menu. You can't use it whatsoever. However, if you are trying to use your PlayStation 5 controller on your PS4, you can use Remote Play on your PC, and then you'll be able to log in with your PS5 controller to your PS4, but you're going to have to use your phone or your PC as a means to control it first. So look into that option. But if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 and 5 tech help videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.